Shut the fuck up! I'm making a video! Magic's mom is calling him. Magic, come talk Polish. Talk Polish. Back to my bike check. Look out. He's coming right towards you.
Sometimes I find myself sitting back and reminiscing, especially when I have to watch other people kissing.
This is my new bike setup, thanks to Old St. Nicholas. Team Mango Bikes hooked me up with a new relaced rear wheel. So, well, first of all, the newest edition, I got the Harrow SD frame in 21 flat grade. It's an awesome frame. I got new pedals, just the Odyssey, nothing special. New Deco Deck seat, big fat comfy seat. Kink Wolf bars, they're 8.5 by 29 with Corey Martinez, what are they, Duo grips with a Primo V1 Annihilator stem. I think they just came out with a new one. Have an Odyssey chrome headset, doesn't matter, they're all the same. Forks, I have fit shivs because they work, and they're forks and they hold my wheel on. And I have Shadow Raptor, I don't know if you can see that, V2 hub in chrome. Got my hub guard Shadow. Alright, I got my old rim thingies, Odyssey hazard lights. I have Eclat Tech hub in the back, 9-tooth Drava. Pegs are Kink Park lights. They're aluminium for the people across the pond. I have a Colt seat post. I have like 30 Colt shirts, so at least I gotta have one part Colt. Profile cranks. They're pretty good. They've never done broken. Well, never done broken. Like Dan Hatch. Never done broken. I also have profiles. Bottom bracket set. I have profile blade thingy
called
Sprocket and 28 tooth, because that's how I roll. I'm gonna turn this off so I don't lose everything again. Okay, well I think that's it. I'm gonna have a new edit coming out soon. It's gonna be bad because I suck. No one's gonna like watching it. And I'll be like, oh wow, look, I have 100 views. It's so cool. And Tyler Bailey is gonna put up a video of him nose manualing, and he's gonna get like 10,000 views. And he's gonna be like, look, I'm so good. And I'm gonna be like, sad face. Forever Alone, FML. I'm gonna try to put out an edit. And Magic's putting one out too. Yeah, he does all fly-out tricks. And Tyler's coming out with a Skyrim montage. He's Argonian, so he can swim underwater and breathe. Pretty badass. You know what I'm talking about. Oh, thanks to Stat BMX for building my wheels. The day I went there. It's awesome, I appreciate it. That was sweet. That was cool. That made my holiday season complete. How to flat bar spin in your bedroom. Whee! Yeah. Like a boss.
I'ma be on the next level. I'ma be rocking over that bass treble. I'ma be chilling with my mother crew. I'ma be making all them deals you wanna do. I'ma be up in them A-list flicks doing one.